First on our radar, those 38 CNN-vetted picks. We're talking massive price drops on essential carry-ons and noise-canceling gear that rarely dip this low. Experts are highlighting the premium luggage sets currently seeing a 40% slash in price.
Travelers start filling their carts. You'll see packing solutions, travel gadgets, comfort upgrades, power accessories, and smart organizers throughout this list. One later find could become your favorite travel companion.
Moving to the Today.com list, their editors focused heavily on durability. If you've been eyeing those ruggedized power banks or high-speed data cables, now is the time. They've vetted the best of list to ensure you aren't buying rebranded junk.
Soft side light for reading in the dark without blinding everyone around you. For something this small, it's a lot of peace of mind. I also like that it comes with a clip, so you could clip it to a hat or something like that if you need it.
Travel Plus Leisure went scorched earth with a massive 155-item list. They're tracking deals starting at just $6. The standout here is the compression packing cube sets. Some are seeing discounts up to 85% off. Wait, before you clear your cart, keep this in mind. Amazon's list prices can be misleading. Always use a price tracker extension to see the 90-day history. If the before price was inflated yesterday, it's not a real discount. One viewer pointed out that some of these Prime Day deals are actually available cheaper at big box retailers like Costco. Don't be afraid to cross-check. Often, the big warehouse clubs have lower everyday prices on tech. Watch out for the scam electronics. Generic brands flooding the search results with high ratings that seem suspicious. If the brand name looks like a keyboard smash of random letters, skip it.
For less top, and I've shared this little crochet top in multiple color options. It has this gorgeous little fringe detail down at the bottom, which just looks incredible with trouser pants for the office, all the way to with some little eyelet shorts for the summertime. And you can wear a normal bra with it too, which
We're also seeing a trend where older generations of top-tier products, like previous gen noise-canceling headphones, are being aggressively dumped to make room for newer tech. These are the sweet spot buys. For the frequent flyer, the travel adapter market is flooded. Look for multi-port GAN chargers. They're lighter, faster, and much more versatile than those bulky, single-device plastic adapters. Another savvy tip: check your saved for later list on Amazon. If you've been keeping items there, you'll get a notification if they hit a flash sale price today. It's the easiest way to avoid impulsive junk buying. Remember, Prime Day is a marathon, not a sprint. The deals refresh hourly. If the item you want is sold out, hit that Notify Me button. Returns and canceled orders often put stock back in the pool. Finally, verify the seller. Prime Day isn't just sold by Amazon, it's third-party sellers too. Check the return policy before you click buy. Some deep discount electronics from small shops don't have the same easy return process as Amazon-shipped goods. GMA's report makes it clear. Stick to core colorways and established models. Avoid the wild, limited edition colors that are often pushed as on sale. Those are usually just last year's unsold stock. For the tech-savvy, the AirTag bundles are the heavy hitters. We're seeing deeper discounts on the 4-packs compared to singles. If you travel with checked bags, 4 is the magic number. 1 for each bag, your wallet, and your keys. Here is a pro tip on luggage hardware. Focus on the wheels. Even if a bag is 50% off, if it has cheap, plastic-injected wheels, you'll be dragging a broken suitcase through the terminal by your second trip. Condé Nast Traveler confirms our suspicion. Look for the tested by editors tag. They've actually stress-tested these zippers and telescopic handles, which is exactly where most luggage fails. If you see a luggage brand you don't recognize, do a quick site search on your phone. If they don't have a direct website, it's a high probability that it's white-label drop-shipped inventory. Remember, the worth the hype metric is simple. Does the warranty cover airline handling? If the brand doesn't have a robust repair policy, that Prime Day discount isn't saving you money in the long run. First up, tech organizers. When your bag is a mess of tangled cables, these $6 pouches are sanity savers. Don't go for the $50 leather versions. The durable nylon ones listed here are identical in function. Next, hydration gear. Portable, collapsible water bottles are seeing a 40% discount. They fold down to nothing, making them the ultimate carry-on essential for avoiding airport bottle prices. We also found travel-sized toiletry bottles that are actually leak-proof. Stop buying those cheap sets at the drugstore. The ones on this list have reinforced seals, saving your clothes from shampoo explosions. For the ultralight traveler, compression packing cubes are the move. They reduce your volume by nearly a third. At these current sale prices, it's arguably the highest ROI purchase you can make for your luggage. The truth is, Costco travel gear bundles, think Samsonite sets or premium noise-canceling headphones, are often beating Prime Day prices by 15 to 20% once you factor in their no-hassle return policy. Why? Because Costco doesn't play the fake discount game. The price you see is the absolute floor. No 90-day price history games, no fluctuating algorithms, just wholesale pricing. Costco's online exclusive deals drop new items every single week that never make it to the floor. Use their site to track travel tech before you buy on Amazon. The quality difference is also stark. Costco vendors are heavily vetted. You rarely find the junk dropship brands on their site that plague Amazon's search results during major sale events. And don't sleep on compression socks. They aren't just for long-haul flights anymore. After a day of exploring a new city, these recovery socks are a genuine quality of life upgrade for your feet. The tiny flashlight market has evolved too. Modern, rechargeable, keychain-sized lights can output enough brightness to light up an entire campsite or help you navigate a dark, unfamiliar rental property. For the storage obsessed, tiny external SSDs are at an all-time low. One user even suggested tying a cord around the cap so you don't lose the drive itself on a plane. A simple, effective hack. Travel power strips are seeing a 30% cut. Grab the ones designed for cruise ships. They lack the surge protector, which is usually prohibited, and they keep your tech charged in tight spaces. Need a massage gun? We've got a super mini version at 15% off. It fits right in your gym bag, perfect for loosening up after a long flight or a day of city walking. Hanging toiletry bags are also on the list at 35% off. These are the gold standard. They give you an actual shelf in a bathroom that might not have a counter. Game changer. Don't miss the insulin cooler cases at 33% off. Essential for medical travelers, and seeing this kind of price reduction makes an often expensive necessity much more accessible. Remember, the biggest mistake is falling for the discount trap. Don't let a low price tag convince you that you need an item you wouldn't otherwise use. Only buy what your next trip actually demands. Stay tuned for tomorrow's update. We're going to be digging into what's actually worth the shelf space in your closet and what should stay on the warehouse floor. Enjoy the rest of the shopping event, keep those carts lean, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for the update.